Halo administration course, access scenario 13. We're going to be doing this in three parts. Our first part, we're going to be looking at configuring an AI suggestion that runs an automation when matched with articles, and we are going to this will also notify the team that the article has been matched, and we're going to demonstrate that working. So let's get right into this part one. Firstly, we are going to go to our configurations, and in our configuration, we're going to go to the AI module. And down there, we have to make sure that we have our default connection for our Halo. And in the section for ticket matching, we should be able to make sure that the create embedding ticket scores is enabled. Create embedding scores for ticket is enabled. And down below our vector search database, we have to make sure it is our Halo vector store v1. Also, we have to make sure that we enable the use trial for embeddings. We need all this enabled to get started with what we are going with. Based on what we have here, we need to run an automation that's going to match our articles, and with this we need an action. So let's go ahead and create an action, a quick action that will enable our automation to run. Now when we go to our configurations, under tickets we should see actions. So let's see, you should see actions, and you can create a new one, but let me show you the one I've already created. So we would see notify. So I've already created an action which notifies the knowledge team if an article match is found. I've defined my button name, I've given it an icon. There's no need for that, but we gave it an icon, we gave it a custom color. Now what we need firstly is to make sure when we go down below in the action settings section, we make this a quick action. We have to enable this to make this our action a quick action. And then we can go to the defaults and go down in the fields section and make sure the default theme is the knowledge management. If we check our access scenario, they say we should notify the knowledge management team. So that's what we are doing. So once this is done, all you have to do is click on save, and your action has been created. Up next, what we're going to do now is we are going to go to back to our AI, and we are going to go to configure AI suggestions. Now we have a new AI suggestion that we created. For you, you have to click on the new to create one, but let me show you mine. So we've created an AI suggestion, this notify team on matched tickets. And we have to make sure the type is that it runs an automation if there are article matches. Now for this, we've already created an action which is to notify the knowledge team if match is found. As you can see over here, that is what we selected as our automation action. You can enable this for it to automatically apply the action, but we'll just leave it at this so that we'll be the ones to click on the button to apply the AI suggestions that we are going to be getting. Now you can enter in your suggested information and embed the suggested value as well. Up next, we need to add some conditions. So this AI suggestion is going to be coming into these various ticket types: incident, problem, and down below we can leave the weighting scores. The minimum score for this is over 85%, and every other thing here can be left as the default. We're going to leave it as it is, and we are going to save. Now what we're going to do next, we need to embed this to our ticket types. So if we go to our configuration, under tickets and ticket types, you're going to look for example, incident tickets. We're going to go to the field list and let's edit. Now in yours, you might see the AI insight and you won't have the AI suggestions and the AI match articles. So in order to add that on your end, click on edits, go to the field list and click on add, and you should be able to see AI suggestions. Okay, since I've already added mine, it's not going to pop up, but this is mine. Over here I added this AI suggestions and I also added the AI match articles. You can reorder it however you see fit. You're going to save that and you are going to save your incident form as well. And up next we'll still click on edit and we are going to go to the workflow tab. Now I already have a workflow that is not the default workflows because of the entire scenario that we're going with in this assessment. So I'm going to be editing this workflow. If we click on save, when you click on this right now, it will take you to a new tab, which is this workflow. So now what we need to do, we need to add that action that we just created to any stage of our choosing. So we are going to click on edit. Okay, let's say for mine, I kept it on the first stage. As you can see, we have our notify knowledge team action. Over here as an automation for you, you have to click on all, click on automation, then as is a quick action, you're going to see it over here. As you can see, notify knowledge team. Now you have to make sure that the trigger is for when it meets an action through updating this ticket step. We don't want the second option. So we want to use this one and you're going to save. Since I already have mine, you can see it over here, notify the knowledge team. You're going to leave it at this. And you're going to do that and save. Also save your workflow. And with this, we have created our automation. We have binded it to a ticket type. Now in order to test, if we click to log a new ticket and let's keep it as an incident. If you look at the summary, let's give it a name of an article that already exists. I'm going to call it email not sending. And if we log this, we're going to keep the impact as a single user, low, and we're going to look at email sending or receiving. And if we log this ticket, you can see our automation has run automatically and it matches, it has an article match as well. And now if we go to our AI insights, let's see, okay, let's give this some time. Okay, let's go to our AI insights. You can see now that we have some AI suggestions over here, and we also have some AI match articles as well that shows email not sent. As you can see, the weight score is over or equals to 0.85, which was what we were looking for. So this basically matches our configuration for matching the knowledge team and getting articles to the knowledge as well. As you can see over here, we have it down below with the AI suggestions and the matched articles. That is it for the part 1 of our access scenario 13. This is done.